Hey, it's Lay. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick DIY of a foot soak and a foot scrub for your at-home pedicures. It's very quick and easy. So first, we're going to get right into the foot soak. You're going to need some baking soda. I use a fourth a cup of baking soda, just the normal baking soda. You could get whatever brand you want. And then next I use some Epsom salt. This is like the key ingredient to helping with your foot soak and making sure that your feet are nice and smooth. So I use 2 tablespoons of that fragrance-free Epsom salt. Now to make the foot balm fizz when it goes into the water, you're going to need some citric acid. I got this citric acid from Target and I only use 1 tablespoon. You could add up to 2 tablespoons for this measurement, just to make it fizz some more. And then I just stirred it all together really quickly. Now we're going to add the ingredient that actually makes this hold together. I just use coconut oil, but you can use whatever like carrier oil you really want to. I just like coconut oil for my stuff. I use first 2 tablespoons only, but it wasn't like sticking together the way that I needed it to. Like, as you can see, it still looks like powdery, and that's not how I really want it to look. So I went ahead and added about 2 more tablespoons. So in all, I added 4 tablespoons of some coconut oil, and then that's when it finally came to a nice little consistency. So it wasn't too powdery and it also wasn't too wet. It was actually just right to go ahead and fill it up into my little mold that I have here. I think I got it from the dollar store. It's really cute. But yeah, I filled it up with the mixture, and then what I'm gonna do is just press it into the molds, and then we're gonna freeze it for about 20 minutes. So while that is freezing, we're gonna hop into doing a very quick foot scrub. So what I have in this coffee container is actually a mix of some leftover coffee that I had and also some crushed oatmeal, because I like that as an exfoliator, some coffee and some oatmeal, because it helps especially with dry skin, and usually our feet are cracked or dry, peeling, whatever. That's why we do our pedicures. So 2 tablespoons of the coffee and oatmeal mixture along with 1 tablespoon of the Epsom salt work together as an amazing exfoliant for this foot scrub, because it works to really soften up your skin cells, and which leaves your skin very nice and smooth when you're done with your pedicure. So those ingredients, along with my DIY rose infused oil, is what I use to go ahead and make this foot scrub. I went ahead and put just 2 tablespoons of the rose infused oil into the exfoliants, because I don't like my exfoliators too runny and like watery type. I like it to be nice and grainy, a beautiful nice texture. So I only put 2 tablespoons, and then I just stirred that together for a very nice consistency. So this is the final result of the foot scrub after I stirred it up together. And now we're gonna get back into the foot soaks. They've already frozen. They're very small, very cute, and you could like add dyes and stuff to it so it could change colors. Another way to add an orange color to it is using sea buckthorn oil. That's instead of like the coconut oil that I use, you could use sea buckthorn oil. That gives it a natural orange color, so you don't have to use like dyes and things like that in yours. And that's basically it. I just put this in this mason jar and I keep them in there until whenever I have to do my pedicure. I hope you guys really have a very nice at-home pedicure, and thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope you learned something. If you have any tips, you can leave them in the comment section. I'm always happy to get some new information and some new tips. And thank you guys so much. Have a beautiful, prosperous, and successful day.